Hi guys, guess what? We are all done with our small moment writing. That's exciting. You guys have written so many small moment stories. I'm so proud of you. Okay, now I want you to find your small moment story that you wrote last week, and I want you to read it to somebody. Tell them what your story's about. Make sure to tell them about your pictures, about your labels, who's in the story, and then read your writing to them. Okay, I'm going to show you what you should be doing with my story. Okay, do you remember this one? We talked about it last week. Yeah, this is a story about Miss Winchester going to the beach. Okay, you guys help me come up with it. So in my picture, I have a car, I have the road, I have the water, I have a sandcastle, and I have two people, Miss Winchester and my sister. Okay? So now I have my pictures, I have my labels, there are details in my pictures. So the next step I did was I wrote something. I wrote 3 things that happened while I was at the beach. Okay, 3. Now it's time for me to read my writing. We did such a good job on our writing this week. Now it's time to read it to somebody. All right, I'm going to show you my writing. And I want you to pay attention because then you're going to read it to somebody at your house. Okay? We drove the car to the beach. We played in the water. My sister and I built a sandcastle. Now, when I wrote the word car or road or water, I didn't have to sound those words out again because remember, we labeled our picture and those labels were already there for us. So we didn't have to rewrite or restretch the words. They were already there. So now I want you to find your writing from last week and I want you to find somebody at your house. It could be a family member like your mom or dad. It could be a brother or a sister. You can even read to a stuffed animal. Okay? So I'm going to read my picture and my writing to Miss Mullis. And I want you to find somebody to read your writing to. Okay? All right, get going.